Welcome, today I'm for the HUAWEI MatePad Pro and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So now just to customize our always on display feature, we should open the settings and then tap to home screen and wallpaper, then click here to always on display. And if you want to change the theme, here for example we can use images, the graffiti, the artistic icons here, analog clocks, digital clocks, or we can also use our photos from our device or our custom AOD themes here. We can create them if you want. For example, let's use the digital clock. For example, we can here change the style of the clocks, and here we can show the date and the notifications and battery status. Just to use this theme, tap here to apply, and now let's lock our tablet and we can see that the always on display feature customized successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.